When they exit, Max's hair is standing on end, but his clothes are mostly dry. Max, dizzy, C99? I told you it would work. Stumbles, and meeting Walt Disney? That's a story for the grandkids. 99, adjusting his sun hat. You're a mess, Max. Let's get to the Haunted Mansion before you decide to ride the teacups next. Scene 5, the Haunted Mansion. The trio arrives at the Haunted Mansion, where the spooky atmosphere is in full swing. The flickering lights, ghostly laughter, and eerie organ music set the tone as they step inside. Max, still a bit wobbly from Space Mountain, tries to act brave. Max, whispering, 99, I've got a foolproof plan. We'll use the cone of silence to sneak up on the KAOS agent. 99, Max, we're in a haunted house. We don't need the cone of silence. Besides, it never works. Max, offended, never works? Would you believe it worked once? How about half a time? Before 99 can respond, Himmy's sensors pick up a signal. He points to a shadowy figure in a top hat lurking near the ballroom scene, tampering with the ghostly organ player. Himmy, target acquired. KAOS agent identified as Ludwig von Siegfried. Max, Siegfried? I should have known. He's always up to no good. Let's get him. They sneak closer, but Max accidentally steps on a creaky floorboard, alerting Siegfried. The KAOS agent turns around, revealing a sinister grin. Siegfried, with a thick accent, Maxwell smart. I should have known Control would send their most incompetent agent. I've reprogrammed the animatronics to scare away the guests. Soon, Disneyland will be bankrupt, and KAOS will buy it to turn it into our new headquarters. Imagine, KAOS Castle instead of Sleeping Beauty Castle. Max, not so fast, Siegfried. You'll never get away with this. Pulls out his shoe phone, but it's still wet from the pirate ride and sparks. Would you believe I have a backup shoe? Siegfried laughs and activates the Haunted Mansion's ghosts, which start flying toward Max, 99, and Himmy. The trio dodges the spectral figures, with Max flailing comically. One ghost animatronic grabs Max's sun hat and flies off with it, leaving Max to chase after it. Max, running in circles, give me back my hat, you ectoplasmic menace. 99, grabbing a candelabra, Himmy, can you hack the animatronics? Himmy, affirmative. Plugs a wire from his finger into a nearby control panel, reprogramming in progress. As Himmy works, Max distracts Siegfried by throwing his soggy shoe at him, missing by a mile but hitting a ghost animatronic, which malfunctions and crashes into Siegfried, knocking him out. The ghosts suddenly stop mid-flight and return to their normal, spooky routines. Max, grinning, C99? I told you I had a plan. Picks up his hat, which is now covered in cobwebs, although I might need a new hat. Scene 6, Fantasyland Showdown and meeting Annette Funicello. With Siegfried in custody, the trio escorts him out of the Haunted Mansion, but not before he activates a hidden device that sends a signal to